Hello, my name is Ali and I'm a technical marketing engineer with Cisco. I'll be doing a quick OEAP setup on a Cisco wireless controller. Basically, I'll be configuring a non-OEAP, which is a local mode AP, to a OEAP, which is Office Extended Access Point. I will also be priming it with WLC IP address so that once the employee connects the AP at its home, it will provide a secure communication like seamlessly extending the corporate WLAN over the internet at the employee's residence. We will log into our controller. This is 3504 here. We'll go to the wireless settings and we should have access points joined here. We have C9120s and BF2 access point, and I'm choosing here 1815 to convert it to OEAP. So it's right now in a local mode. We will select Flex Connect, and we will, after selecting Flex Connect, we're going to apply setting. Once it's Flex Connect, it won't reboot. You go to Flex Connect tab basically. You click on the Flex Connect tab, and there's an option under Office Extend AP to enable it. So you enable that option. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go to High Availability section. We'll configure the name and the IP address of our public IP address of the controller, which we're going to configure later on. Then we're going to apply and it will reboot. So we have configured the OEAP. Now to configure the NAT on our management IP address. This will be our public IP address, which we're going to configure on the management IP. We only support one-to-one NATing, and the APs, once the employee will take them home, they will connect and try to join to the public IP address, which we're going to configure here. Also, if administrator wants to make the internal AP join to this WLC as well, then they need to configure this command from CLI config network AP discovery NAT IP only disable, so that the APs from the internal network and APs from the external network, which is on public network, can join this controller. This is the controller management interface. We'll go to controller interfaces and management interface. We can see we have interface address of internal network, and then we will, on NAT address, we'll configure the public IP address. We select that at the public IP address of the controller, and then we're going to apply. This will reset the WLAN, so it will give you a warning. If you click apply, with the pop-up, click OK. We are also doing an extra config here, which is to create an AP group for OEAPs. It may be that admin just want to broadcast the corporate SSID, not the guest SSID at the employee home. So we can create an AP group for that. Once we create the AP group by adding, and then also which SSID we want to broadcast over here. For example, our corporate SSID, we are calling it Typhoon. So you add that, and also the interface, you can select any interface. In our example here, I'm selecting a SJC interface. Once it's selected, you can then add APs. So the list of APs, you can select all the OEAPs and then add them. After this process, the AP will reboot. And once the AP is rebooted, it will come back and join this AP group. So if you see here, okay, access point has joined. Now we can disconnect this access point and give it to our employee. You can take it home and connect it to a router. Once the AP comes up, it will try to communicate the public IP address and try to join that public IP address. And once it joins, it will broadcast the corporate SSID, so it will have customer will have a seamless experience as you having in a corporate network. Thank you for watching.